What up? We are down to the last 40 tickets on the 1995 Suzuki Carry Kei Truck. If you haven't joined the raffle, I don't know what you're waiting for, but special thank you to all 160 of you, the people who bought multiple tickets. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see any more videos on the Carry, like me going over like what it's like to daily drive it, or highways runs, or whatever you guys want to see, because this is going to be gone very soon, and I don't see myself getting a Kei Truck for a very long time, especially with this beautiful ass Bravo. But the next couple things we're gonna do on the Bravos, honestly, I want to go on a mini road trip. I kind of want to go to Virginia to go to Duncan and just kind of see what they have there. That way I kind of kill two birds with one stone. I make a video going over what they have and just learning some new things, and then I get to drive the truck, well, the van, like a good 5-6 hours. I want to go on like a 5-hour road trip before I do anything crazy like a 12-hour, 15-hour, 20-hour trip. I got to see what it's like to drive 5 hours on the interstate, going 100 kilometers an hour for an hour straight. How's the radiator supporting, all that good jazz. So that's coming real soon. But in today's video, what we're gonna do is actually look at the Miata, the car, the forbidden way before the fame car that I never look at. I want to drive it around just a little bit, do a couple like pulls, a couple videos. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I don't know, I kind of want to just take it out. Like, it's a nice day outside. And here it is. It's actually kind of funny just because like I'm looking at it now, like I like this car a lot, but it's funny to me that I don't drive it. Like, look at this wheel. Like, there's literally spider webs. Like, let me show you the interior too. It's just, oh man, once I sell my van, I just want you guys to know, I want to get a Kei car, but once I sell my van, this is gonna be, I'm gonna go crazy in this Miata, like crazy, like flying Miata turbo Kei. It already has a CX Racing turbo Kei. I'll probably drive that till it explodes, but like, come on, bro. This is a clean Miata, carbon fiber. Definitely want to change the steering wheel really soon, even though I don't drive it. But hard dog roll bar, nice little tour. We got the quick release battery, big box. Show you guys under the hood. I am gonna drive this car too. This isn't like a clickbait video. I'm gonna start it. Oh my god, like all this, oh wait, it's coming off. But I heard that's like from like when you're by like a beach or something, which I'm not at all. I'm nowhere near the water, but I guess that's just, I don't even know what that is, honestly, but that makes me sad. But yeah, definitely want to clean up here. There's just so much I want to do. I want to do a cooling reroute. I want to just so much. I don't even want to get into it right now because it's going to make me want to do it. But we got the Kei van. We got business to take care of right now before we have a lot of fun. So let me connect this battery. Will it start? What do you guys think? Cool thing about this too, it's like the Kei trucks where I don't really have to put my foot on the clutch for it to start. Yo! Let's see, will you start? Of course, like, what do you think? What do you think this is? All right, let's see what's going on over here. It sounds healthy though, like I think the motor is good. It does have a little waddle right there, if you know about Miatas. And it does have one area of concern, I'm not gonna lie. This little rust spot right there. But I mean, it has a nice little tone, ISR exhaust. So we in the Miata now. Got my cousin Dave. We'll do a nice little POV drive. I'm in second. Windows down. Definitely need a wheel alignment, as you can see. Like, I don't know how much horsepower it has, but it's good. It's good enough for the little car. Like, it probably has like a $180, $190, maybe 200.
You feel it?
Yeah, it has the RSX injectors, so it's 550s. But I haven't done anything. Well, I mean, he tuned it, but we haven't done anything since a year ago, basically. And And he told me to come back too after I get the AFRs connected, because I'm not, well, you can't even read it, but it's not at 17. It's not connected at all. So like those are things that I want to do. That's why I don't really drive it, because like he said to get it retuned, and I never got it retuned, and that was a year ago. But I also haven't driven it at all, so I'm not really worried. But we'll do a 3rd gear pull. This car, Dave, is that like you can go the speed limit. Like I don't mind showing you guys the speedometer. Like when you're in the Hellcat and you're trying to show off, you gotta block out the speedometer because you know you're going at $120 in residential roads. But like this, I look, that's 40, that's 50, but like that's a fun ass speed. AC does not work. Does have AC, I just gotta make it work. Pop-ups, you already know. It's a clean little car, bro. I already did this like 5 times trying to switch to my signals. Nice little tunnel pass. Like, I really love this car. This is my face. The entire time I'm driving the Miata, like, I love this car. I'm a Miata fiend. It's just, I got the van, I got business to take care of right now. Like, I don't have time to turn this into a money pit. Like, I forgot I could get a camera ticket. Let me chill. Let's go the speed limit. Nice little Corvette. Slow down a little bit. Let me not get a ticket. Alright, Miata's here. Here's the Z3 that I allegedly want to buy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it just yet, but I want a car that I could destroy, and I feel like this is a good one. It's clean. Showing them my potential car. It's the 1.9, but you know, same thing as a Miata, just German Miata. I always wanted to have like that surge, that like famous sound, you know what I mean? So I just blocked off my blow valve just because, like, you know, I want to enjoy this car as much as I can. And now that my blow valve is blocked, you hear. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but let me go around real quick. I got that famous turbo surge. You ready? Gotta love it, man. You got to love it. I'm so happy. This is, like I said, this is my face the entire time I drive my Miata. But there's also 2 fire Skylines on this block. Let me show you guys them real quick. We got this fire wide body R32 right here. Look at this. 2 very sick cars. Alright, let's drive back to my cousins. I don't really know what this video is about, but shout out to everybody who's buying tickets right now. I put the post in Facebook, and I think we're down to like 38 already. Like, people are buying them up. So let's get this filled ASAP. I do not want this to go into September, and I especially don't want it to go till September like 7th and all that. I want it to be done by then, so buy your tickets. So it's now dark out. I really have no idea where this video is going, but let me show you the Miata at night now. So cool thing about it is it actually has remote start. So just touch this on my Viper. There you have it. The car is on. There is nobody inside, and then it also has the super bright instead of the visors. Super bright light there, and then the one down here. It was really fun driving this, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I cannot wait to you know, until I had the money and time, really, because a car like this, it's not really like a Kei truck or a van. It's like, it takes real dedication, real everything, you know what I mean? But update on the Kei truck, more people have bought tickets, so we are now down to, if you can see it, 35 tickets to go to win this bad boy. If you're watching this video, come on, bro. 1 in 200 chances, 50 bucks. Buy yourself a ticket, man. Okay, truck. And like I said, I don't even mention this a lot, but let's not forget, second place is $150, third place is $100. There's 3 winners for 50 bucks. It's a whole car. Like, come on, 50 bucks, 2 Ubers, a lunch, a brunch, dinner, movie tickets with popcorn, a car. Peace.